Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Today we're going to be working on our first learning kind of what the back kick is and then doing the whole kick, which is the spinning back kick, or Dwi Toyo Chagi in Korean.
Dwi Toyo Chagi, sir.
Dwi Toyo Chagi.
Dwi Toyo Chagi.
Good, spinning back kick. But first we have to start with a basic back kick. So go ahead and put your face towards this bag. Good. So for a basic back kick, you're going to load with your knee to the front. But clearly, this isn't the target. The target is behind, and he's going to push backwards like a horse and kick. Specifically trying to focus with the toes down, hitting with the heel. And pull it back. Good. And back down. Ready. Load. Kick.
Hey.
Back. Down. Load. Kick. Recoil, back, down. Good. So now that's the back kick, and the back kick is very powerful because it's activating both your quad group and your hamstrings in your muscles, and so you have a lot of force behind it. But now we're going to add the turn, which adds centrifugal force to the power well, making this one of the most powerful kicks that you can learn in martial arts. So start in your fighting stance. So let's talk about. So you're spinning towards the direction of your back toes. So his back toes are facing this way. So if he spun this way and he crisscrossed his legs, that's not correct. You want a natural movement. So you can slide that front foot over, spin so your bum is completely square, look over that shoulder, kick back, spin, and finish how you started. Notice how he didn't cut his circle off. He spun in a full 360 circle. Once more, slide, look, kick,
Hey.
recoil, finish how you started. Good. A few more with speed. Ready. Hi!
Hey.
Hi!
Hey.
Good. And now let's see some on the back. Ready. Hi!
Hey.
Hi!
Hey.
Good. And so that is our spinning back kick. Practice the back kick section first. The very first, just the rear drill. Practice that over and over again, getting used to your foot going into the correct position. Then add the speed for more power and more finesse. That is our spinning back kick, or Dwi Toyo Kwando. Nope, no, there's no Kwando there. That is our spinning back kick. Dwi Toyo Chagi.
Dwi Toyo Chagi.
Yes, okay. So that is our spinning back kick, or Dwi Toyo Chagi. Practice what you learned, make it rock.